Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Here is a recap of all that heavy rain we saw since yesterday. Most areas in southern Wisconsin got 2 to 4 inches, but look at Reedsburg. More than 7.5 inches of rain came down. Princeton over 5.25, Lodi around that mark, and then we were just underneath 5 in Montello and Lake along with Baraboo. You get the idea. It came down heavily and steadily for the last 24 hours. Still seeing a little bit of light to moderate rain wrapping up on the east side of the viewing area. A little light shower activity out towards Chopier, down towards Clinton, extending into Delavan and Elkhorn now. And we could get a little light flurry or sprinkle activity to move through Juneau, Adams, and Marquette and Green Lake counties here in the next hour as we just have a little wraparound moisture zooming on by. Last 24 hours, what a wet scene across our area. Consistent on and off rain. Continued here. Finally, we're getting on the waning side of this, but we're still tracking some areas of mist even as the steadier rain wraps up. Madison, you're down to 2 miles visibility, 2.5 miles in Monroe, 2 miles in Janesville, 3 miles in Baraboo. So once we get rid of this little batch of moisture, then we'll finally be drier, and you can see that with the improved visibility on the west side of our region. Okay, so we'll be mostly cloudy the rest of the day, even as the rain gets out of here. Winds will be brisk out of the northwest, gusting up to 25 miles per hour by late day. Tomorrow we start off with some sunshine. That's nice. It'll look great out the window, but still going to be cold. Temps only in the low 40s in the afternoon, and clouds will increase as we get through the afternoon and evening too. By Sunday, that's our next chance for precipitation to roll in, and it looks like it'll be a mix. And I think our northwestern areas could get steady enough snow to see some minor accumulations, mainly on grassy and elevated surfaces, but could see our first snow of the season here as we round out the weekend and head into Sunday night. It's certainly cold enough this morning right now, upper 30s and low 40s. The cold spot is Baraboo at 36. The rest of the day plays out with temps in the low 40s for high temps, and that's it. By the time the Badger kickoff happens, we'll be at 39, mostly cloudy, and then by the time the game wraps up, mid 30s. So if you're going to watch the game outdoors with some folks, obviously social distance with those masks on, and certainly bundle up too. It's only going to get colder overnight. We have a light freeze in place as we get towards Friday night, and a frost possible this weekend. So 42 this afternoon, down to 29 tonight. Also notice 6:01 is your sunset tonight. That's the latest sunset for the rest of the year. 6 o'clock, not going to happen until next March, 4.5 months away. Tomorrow, at least some sunshine returns, but we're cold at 42. There's that scattered mix I'm anticipating for Sunday, wrapping up Sunday night or early Monday. And then we're colder next week with lows. Lowest of the season so far in the low 20s by Monday night, Rebecca. And we moderate a little bit later next week.
Yeah, a little bit of everything in the forecast.
All below average, though, for this time of year.
All right. Thank you, Max.